What's up, guys and gals? Kaikane here at you once again, coming straight out of Okinawa, Japan. Yes, I'm still down here chilling at the beach, getting some sun, getting some scuba diving in, etc., etc. So today's topic is going to be about how to live and work in Japan without a degree and with tattoos. What? Say what? Is that possible? Anything's possible, fellas. Of course it is. You just need to know how to do it and go about it. As you may know, every day I get thousands of emails from you blokes and gals all around the world asking me all kinds of crazy, funny, and cool questions that need answering. And today I'm putting this one out as I got 4 questions based on the same topic. So, first off, can you live and work in Japan without a degree? Yes and no. If you've read my book and watched my videos, you already know firmly the answer. However, there are always ways around something if you don't have it, meaning a 4-year degree. So, basically, if you want to live and work in Japan without having a 4-year degree, the easiest option will be for you to have a relationship with a Japanese man or woman, whatever your sex may be, and to get married. Once you get married, you will get a spouse visa, meaning that you are entitled to stay in the country legally and work any job you desire, not only teaching English with this spouse visa. They range from 1 year up to 3 years. I know guys and gals who've gotten 1-year visas and also 3-year visas. When I first got here a long time ago, my visa was always 3 years and renewed on 3 years. Also, after a certain period of time, you can apply for permanent residency here in Japan, which will allow you to basically be like a Japanese citizen. Now, I'm not telling all of you guys and gals to get married and rush into a relationship, blah, 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 to get married and just to get the visa. That would be the stupidest thing to do on earth. Another option you have is to come here and study Japanese. However, keep in mind, the schools are very strict and you are required to do examinations at the city hall or at immigration once every 1 to 3 months or what have you. It really all depends on the person. It all depends on the school. And they will test your Japanese ability to make sure you're not BSing and dilly-dallying. Another short-term option for you is to come over here on a tourist visa. For most native English-speaking Western countries and most good-standing countries, you will get a 90-day visa. Sometimes it can be renewed while you are here, and sometimes you must go out and then come back in. And they usually allow you to do that 2 to 3 times. So 90 days times 2 or 90 days times 3, whatever. Other than that, you can also establish your own company here in Japan. Not an easy task by any means, and they also require you, if I'm not mistaken, to have at least 5 million yen in capital, and it is quite a lengthy process. Now, the next point for tattoos. Do you have tattoos? Of course. Everybody has tattoos. I have tons of tattoos. Old school, Japanese style, whatever you can think of. But I do not have tattoos on my neck, and I do not have tattoos which are extremely visible on my hands or wrists. Now, if you do have tattoos on your wrists, there are ways to cover them up. I've already told you that before in my previous videos. If you have tattoos on your bare hands, then guess what? You're going to have a very, very hard time getting a job here in Japan. That's just how it is, and magic isn't going to happen. You're just going to have to remove it if you really, really want to come over and teach or work here in Japan, especially at a reputable job where you will be saving money and getting rich teaching English or doing whatever you want to do here. If you have tons of tattoos like I do, then guess what? You must keep them covered. You will not be able to go to the gym with visible tattoos. You will have to wear a sweatshirt, sweat jacket, whatever have you, to keep them covered. And you also absolutely will not be able to get a job at any reputable school or institution in this country if you have visible tattoos on your neck, head, face, fingers, hands, or whatever. Keep them covered. and respect the culture of Japan as long as you are here. Pretty much that is that, and that is all you need to know for living and working and teaching here in Japan if you don't have a degree and or if you have tattoos. It's plain and simple. If you are considering removing any heavily visible tattoos, then I highly recommend you do that in Thailand, especially in Bangkok. They have tons of laser removal clinics in Bangkok, Thailand that are super cheap and 100 times cheaper than what they are in the States or in Europe or wherever you're from, etc., etc. So check that out, and they are very, 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 very cheap. For example, for a tattoo which is about 2 inches by 2 inches, that would cost you probably around $150 to remove at the cheapest price. You will have to come and stay here for about 3 to 6 months to remove your tattoos, as one tattoo removal takes about 3 to 5 times, depending on the color of the ink and how deep the tattoo is in your skin. Also, an extra bonus tip for this video before I go back on the beach and have some nice dinner with this beautiful Japanese lady. I'm going to tell you the best way to start networking if you are a single lad or lass anywhere in the world who is thinking about coming over to Japan. Start networking on the dating apps. There are tons of them. For example, Tinder and whatever else you can find. They have them, use them. They're very good. They work. You will be able to network and establish a good base of contacts before coming over here and possibly finding your Mr. or Mrs. right here in Japan. Well, that's it for today, ladies and gents. I gotta go. Yo. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you will take my advice. If you have any further questions, do not hesitate to book a private one-on-one Skype or email consultation with me on my website at getrichtechingenglish.com. I am available 24/7. I am here for you. I'm here for the world to help you with your situation. Also, I do resume revamp, edit, and reference services as well to help get your resume on track so that you can land that perfect teaching job or whatever job it is you want to get here in Japan. Get the book as well if you haven't yet. Until next time, ladies and gents, stay focused, stay trained, stay hungry, keep it real. Peace out.